Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix whenever you are trying to play a game, you got the error entry point not found in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of two steps. First step, you just need to open up Chrome and search for Visual C++ Redistributables 2013. Select the first link and you just need to scroll down. Select your language and then select download option. Now you just need to know your bit guys. To know your bit, you just need to go to search menu and type system info. Comes up system information, click on open it. In here you can able to see your system bit guys. In my case I have 64 bit. If you have 64 bit, you just need to check mark this box and select download option. If you have 32 bit, then you just need to check mark this box and download it guys. In my case I have 64 bit, that's why I'm downloading this. After getting download and click on it and install it. Select I agree and select install. After getting installed done, you just need to select close. After that, let's move on to the second step guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video, copy and paste it. Wait for this verification to get 100%. After getting 100% done, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.